This is Liu Tian reporting from Islamabad. Beside me is the Pakistan Institute of Medical Sciences, the working place of Lizwana Yasmin, one of the Pakistani medics in Islamabad who received their first vaccine shot today. Pakistan's National Command and Operations Center said that a drive to administer the China-donated Sinopharm COVID-19 vaccines to frontline health workers formally kicked off across country on Wednesday. Speaking to Xinhua, Pakistan Minister for Planning, Development and Special Initiatives Asad Umar expressed his gratitude to people and the government of China for extending their help to Pakistan in the hour of need. Let's take a look.
We have participated in the trials of one of the Chinese vaccines. So we have all the confidence that it will be effective in helping reduce the risk to the people of Pakistan from this disease. The vaccination drive, as you have just witnessed, has been started all over Pakistan. It is being done simultaneously in all the provinces and the federating units. Gradually, we'll be building up capacity, so the speed at which the vaccination will be carried out will increase. And we are hoping that in the next few months, a very substantial part of the population of Pakistan will be covered.
We also talked with the 3 frontline workers who received the shots today. Let's hear what they said.
I would like to say all Pakistanis to come and get vaccinated against COVID-19 because it's approved, and after human trial, it's so everyone should come first and take this vaccination against COVID. I would like to say thanks to China, and China is always with us in every difficult situation.
And I'm very pleased to be and it's very honor that the first shot of the corona vaccine has been given to me. And I also advise to all the peoples of the Pakistan that they should have to get this corona vaccine shots.
We believe that Pakistan and China are both are very close friend, very good friend, and I recommend this vaccine to all the frontline worker. That is good, and I have very good experience, and hope so that this will work as this is an authentic vaccine.